Nicola Del Vecchio and Michela Bonino are a young couple that graduated the University of Gastronomic Science in Pollenza. They started their business as an European project which took part between 2009 and 2012. Located in the area between San Giovanni in Galve and Campo Lieto, in the province of Campobasso, is a company that wants to restore value of the multifunctional Molise earth through synergetic agriculture that is her beating art in a self-sufficient and versatile farm. From a project by Michela Bonino, the reality newborn will get the external taste needed to enhance and promote the territorial Molise. A microbrewery will use the grains and property products, an oven for bread and related products, a herd from which to obtain meat and eggs. 5 years ago, Nicola has decided to dedicate knowledge and money to 80 hectares on which today there are cheese factory with the production of exquisite cheese obtained from sheep and goats. Nicola and Michela are the future we need, thinking people that returning to dedicate themselves to the agriculture with an enthusiastic approach, along with lots and lots of will. The stories are nice to listen and to tell, and perhaps even more to live. They have had the courage to believe in them with smile and the lightness of two young men in their early 30s who do not give up on your dreams while living an era with many ups and downs. That's how we must think, because after every sunset there is always a new dawn.